1.
Range Resources Presentation by Caleb Angela, Cameron Rockwell,
Michaela Bradley,
and Levi Johnson. This is our project overview, the assignment. Materials given: 20 pieces of balsa wood, 12 popsicle sticks, and a bottle of tan glue. A bottle of fast drying glue too. Project limitations: our cage had to cover a minimum of 9 times 9 times 10 that will protect the wellhead model. Each team must make and enter 2 cages into the competition. This was our design process. The objective in competition: our cage is designed to protect the wellhead from impact. Competition: each cage must survive a qualifying drop of 1 pound weight from 24 inches. We can pick one of our cages for the challenge drop. We can pick the weight and height of the drop. If our cage breaks or falls over, then the cage is disqualified. Our total score is the sum of our presentation, qualifying drops, and our challenge drop.
That's our pictures for cage 1 base and legs, cage 1 roof, the cage 2 base and legs, and the cage 2 roof. Cage 1. The roof. The bottom 2 layers of the roof will be stacked up like Jenga blocks, meaning 3 pieces of wood will be laid out vertically, while 3 horizontal pieces will be stacked on this. We will have a plus sign in the first layer for support. Finally, we use 10 popsicle sticks to make X's on our roof. The legs. We used 2 half pieces of balsa wood for our 4 legs. We made it a triangle shape on the bottom of the corners of the roof to make it stronger. Lastly, the X's on the sides of our legs are used for extra stability and to help the cage hold more weight and force. The base. We have 4 half pieces of wood in a square formation connecting the bottom of the legs. This is to distribute the weight evenly and make our base much stronger. The base is easily one of the most important parts of our cage.
Cage number 2, our roof. The first 2 layers of the roof are the exact same to the other roof. We use 6 pieces of balsa wood stacked up like Jenga. The 3rd layer uses 2 pieces of wood as an X shape instead of a plus sign. We then used all 12 of our popsicle sticks, putting a square in the middle of the X, and we had lowercase t shapes extending from each side of the square. Our legs. For the actual legs, we used 2 pieces of balsa wood for each corner instead of 2 half pieces. We then put half X's on each side of the cage using half pieces of balsa wood. We constructed these like a truss bridge for weight distribution. Our base. We used 2 quarter pieces of balsa wood on each leg, and we connected them like a right angle. We did this to help with the balance of the cage. In conclusion, we hope that you very much enjoyed our presentation. We try to make our cages have similar aspects between one another, however we found different ways for each of them to distribute weight. We've worked very hard on this project for the past 1 month, and we really hope you will enjoy our effort.